We're here outside the Brambleton Center. Many of you may not know that the Brambleton Center, in addition to hosting recreation programming, is also host to the Virginia Cooperative Extension for our area. And I'm joined by Kimberly and Kathleen with the Cooperative Extension. You, for the first time, are going to be partnering with Parks and Rec for some programs this summer. So talk a little bit about what the Extension Office is, first of all, for those who don't quite know.
Sure. So a lot of people aren't familiar with us, but Virginia Cooperative Extension is really the educational outreach arm of the land-grant universities in Virginia, so Virginia State and Virginia Tech. And what we do is we try and take the information that comes out of those institutions and bring them to our community so that people can actually put it to use.
And a lot of that information has to do with one of the primary focuses of the university, agriculture and that type of programming, but you also do some other things as well.
Yeah, so we're very grounded in agriculture, but a lot of that relates back to food and nutrition and wellness and just basically helping people improve their lives through more education and knowledge.
So as you can see, a lot in common with the types of programming that you all put on with what we do in reaching out to the public for recreational purposes. So let's talk about those two classes, first of all, that you're helping us with this summer.
Sure. Well, I'm going to be teaching a class on edible flower arrangements, so gifts that you can make, nice centerpieces that you could use at something like a baby shower or a birthday party, all made out of different types of fruits. So. That should be fun. Hopefully encourage people to eat some more fruits and have fun doing it.
The best gift is the type of gift you can eat. I've long thought that. Absolutely. And then the other class you're teaching is about succulents, and I'm fairly ignorant. I don't have a green thumb. What is a succulent to begin with?
I'm going to let Kathleen take that one.
Sure. So a succulent is just a category of plants, so a type of plant. You see them a lot. They can be outdoors, but they're also a very common indoor plant.
And
so they kind of have
that
that hardy leaf. It's a pretty wide range of things that they look like. Aloe, for example, so that would be a common one people would think of. So aloe is a type of succulent, kind of has that meteor leaf. And so the class I'm teaching is focusing on indoor succulents, and then so it will be about them, and then how to grow them and keep them alive indoors, and then propagation, so how to keep them growing.
Are these hard sorts of plants to grow indoors?
No, they're pretty easy. They just need a pretty sunny windowsill is all it really takes.
What are some of the differences between growing succulents and growing a geranium in your window?
It just depends. So cactuses and succulents are pretty similar. So similar water requirements that a cactus might have, a little bit different than your typical kind of geranium or other house plant. And it should be, they're propagated pretty easy, which just means they'll you can grow them again, so they'll send out little side shoots, or sometimes they're called pups, or little plants that you can break off and then replant, so you can keep your collection growing.
So both courses occurring during the month of June, but you can actually reach out to the Extension Office at any time by visiting here at the Brambleton Center or giving them a call. And we look forward to partnering with the Extension Office for many more programs in the future. I think it's a great relationship to get started this summer.